Hi, I'm Chef Amninder Sandhu from Iktara, and I'm in the kitchen right now because we are a delivery-only kitchen and we're operational during this pandemic. Today I'm going to be cooking Paneer Kofta for the Travel+Leisure Taste of the World series. There are two components to this dish. I call it the Final Table Paneer Kofta because we were asked to make a vegetarian version of the butter chicken. We start with tomatoes, and then you add some fried cashew nut to it. It gives the gravy nice body and texture. Some green chillis, green cardamom, ginger garlic paste, salt, deggi chili powder because this is more for color and not so much for heat. A few black cardamoms, cumin seeds, and black pepper. Some butter, kasoori methi, and some honey for sweetness. I've simplified this recipe in order to make it one pot gravy. You add some water. So you cook this till the tomatoes soften, and then we blend it and also pass it through a sieve because you want to get rid of the black cardamom skin and the green cardamom skin in it. Cook it for about 15 minutes on very low heat. To make the kofta, I've got paneer here, which is also known as cottage cheese, very popular in India. To the paneer, I'll add a little salt, green cardamom powder, mix it really well, and you can add a little cornstarch for binding. For the stuffing, I've got khoya, raisins, and some fried cashew nuts. I'm going to take a little mawa and add a few raisins and fried cashew nuts to it and mix it well. Then I'm going to take the paneer mixture rounded like this, and then a little bit of cornstarch again on it because you don't want a very wet mixture. If it gets wet, then your kofta will start breaking when you fry it. And then these koftas are deep fried and then put in the gravy, which is cooking right now. So the gravy has been cooking for 10 to 12 minutes. The tomatoes have softened and it's coming together now. So at this point, we will turn it off and blend it and pass it through a sieve. This is how it looks once it's blended, and I'll just quickly pass it through a sieve to get a smoother gravy. I will quickly pass it through a sieve. We have a really smooth gravy here. The koftas are fried. We put the koftas in the gravy. We don't really have to cook it for too long once they're in the gravy. It goes really well with a butter naan or even with rice. Okay. And garnish it with some fresh coriander sprigs. So this is the Final Table Paneer Kofta. It's a very simple dish but very delicious. Please give it a shot. Please don't call it curry. It goes really well with naan, not naan bread.
Thank you.